Ayisikhombisa amaqembu ayingxenye yalenhlangano entsha. Kulamaqembu kukhona iDA, iIFP, iAction SA, FF+, amanye kanye nenhlangano zomphakathi. Kulomhlangano wawo odonse usuku lonke namhlanje, amaqembu avumelana ngazwi linye.
We must start building confidence by removing an actual ANC EFF government under which Johannesburg residents suffer today.
Today is the day, and this is the only day where we are taking ourselves back to 1994. This is our 1994.
And the only way we can save South Africa is if we get rid of the ANC government.
Athi iqembu ANC lizidumazile izakhamuzi zakuleli, manje ke sekuyisikhathi soguquko. Akubeke kwacaca ke ukuthi le nhlangano isungulelwe ukubeka phambili abantu.
This project cannot be owned by politicians. It must be owned by the people.
This is not an anti-ruling party club. We do not hate ANC, but we hate what the ANC have done in South Africa.
Le nhlangano izosebenza ngaphansi kwemigomo ethile.
1. Growing the economy and creating jobs. 2. Ending load shedding and achieving energy security. 3. Achieving law and order that combats crime, corruption and drugs.
Le ngqungquthela izophothulwa kusasa.